Hey guys, it's Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. Here we have a 2016 Heritage Softail in Vivid Black. FLSTC is a model designator. Just under 5,000 miles, so 4,800 miles. A couple of my favorite features of these bikes, they're kind of like a mini touring bikes. They have all the nice cruising comforts of a touring bike, but they're a little bit less weight. For example, this is one of the models that has a throttle by wire and electronic cruise control, which is a nice feature when you're on the interstate. You can just lock it in. This bike, a couple accessories that it's been outfitted with, the highway pegs here. These are called mini footboards, so they mount in the traditional foot peg style, but they act as a full footboard, a lot of surface area to put your feet, move them around. It's a 103 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. It comes from the factory with these nice leather bags and conchos, some traditional styling here, and the buttons. Fixed passenger backrest and luggage rack, some nice extra space to put a backpack over or onto the luggage rack. Wilkins has put about $560 into this bike for the Dyno certification. We did a full 5,000 mile service. We flushed the brake fluid per Harley-Davidson specs every 2 years. Any 2 years or older brake fluid always gets flushed. Nitrogen in the tires, all critical fasteners checked, lubricated and cleaned any joints that move, i.e. clutch housing, clutch perch, brake perch, no squeaks. A lot of fun. These bikes are comfortable, nice classic styling, chrome and black. Give us a call if you have any questions or come down to the shop, 802-476-6104. Again, Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. This is a 2016 Heritage Softail FLSTC.